What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trench Tech. And today I'm going to be doing my day in the life of the S22 Ultra. Now, before anybody asks, because everybody asked me in the comments section, what case is this? This is the Caseology Parallax Burgundy case. I'll put a link down in the description if you guys want to pick one up off of Amazon. Once again, Burgundy Caseology Parallax, because everybody keeps asking me about that. So, I'm doing my day in the life video of this, and it's not going to be like, I guess, other people's day in the life videos, because a lot of times you'll see other creators and they'll be like doing all this amazing stuff, like they're going to Disney World, or they have like a high loft apartment, or they're going on a trip somewhere. But no, I'm just at my regular everyday job. So right now it's about let's see, what time is it? It is 7:45. We are at 100%. And basically, I'm just going to use this throughout the day and tell you guys about my experience. The other thing I'm going to go ahead and, I guess, talk about right now, since we can, is the display. Right now, I have the display set to 120 hertz, so the whole smooth scrolling thing is on. I have the maximum resolution set because I guess we're also going to look at how long this phone's going to last throughout the day with everything turned on. So if we swipe down, we can see I got all my notifications, so you guys can see I actually use the phone and all that fun stuff. So Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all that stuff. Right now I'm connected to the Wi-Fi at work. I got my regular wallpaper, and the brightness is set to about, let's say, about like 50%. Sometimes I'll turn it up, sometimes I'll turn it down, but that is pretty much it. And right now I'm using my iPhone to record this, and you might be asking yourself, well, why is he using an iPhone to record an S22 Ultra? Well, the reason why is because I'm not using my S22 Ultra to record a day in a life video. That's not how I use my phone every single day. So I have to use a separate phone to basically get everything going. Now, one of the cool features about this phone that I still use and I really like is the fact that you can unlock this phone with it being completely off. And when I mean off, I mean at this black screen here. So if you just take your thumb, you just put it right around where the fingerprint sensor is supposed to be, it should, bam, just straight up unlock. Like, it unlocked so fast that I couldn't even catch it. So we'll try it again. Boom, there you go. So that's one of the cool things, is you don't have to wake up the entire screen to go ahead and turn on your phone. So I'm actually going to go ahead and get to work, and I guess we can talk about some more stuff about it. So another thing I wanted to show you guys, and I use this at work a lot because sometimes, let's say there's nobody around and I get to kind of work by myself, I like to listen to music. So I can turn on the YouTube, and I'll just have the S Pen with me, and pretty much I'll just walk around with the S Pen. So if I want to start playing the music, I can just press the button here, and it's going to start playing the music. So that's something that's actually kind of cool, because I can go way over here and hit the button, and it'll pause, and then hit the button again, and it will continue playing. And to me, that's just one of the coolest things that you can do with the S Pen. Now, here's the other thing that you can do with the S Pen that's really clutch. This S Pen can recognize, I guess, like the movement or the gestures or whatever. So if I hold the button down and I move down, it's actually going to turn it down. So I'm going to demonstrate that right now. Hold the button down, turn it down. As you guys can see, it's going down, going down, going down, going down. Or I can raise it up. Is this the most efficient way to do this? Probably not, but it's still kind of cool. The fact that you can, kind of do that, or you don't have to go all the way like that. You can probably just do like this and have it go down, or do like this and have it go up. And as you can see, as I do that, you get a little arrow that's going there to raise the sound up. And then I'm just gonna click the button again to let it go. And there you go. So if you guys wanna, I guess, hear how loud this can get, let's see if I can, okay, so it is turned all the way up. So let's play it. This isn't exactly the loudest song, but I can basically walk around and just do my work on stuff, clean stuff or whatever, inventory stuff. And then if I just want to stop the music, just go just like that. So that's something that I use every single day. And I don't know, I guess we'll move on to the next thing that I do throughout the day. All right, so another thing I wanted to show you guys, because I often get a lot of questions about my wallpaper. So there is an app that I use. It's called Zedge, and normally it's purple, but they got the blue and yellow because they're trying to help bring awareness to support Ukraine. So I'm gonna click on the app here, and hey, we stand with Ukraine. So I usually go with the live wallpapers. Now, as you can see here, it's talking about monthly plan and all that stuff. I'm not doing all that. Usually you gotta just watch an ad or two, and then you can just kind of skip past it. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna hit this little X right here. It's gonna bring me down to the video wallpapers, and I can pretty much go here and we can see, basically what's popular. This is actually the wallpaper that I was using in a lot of my videos. So I'll see if I can find the name for it. But once again, it's in the Zedge app. So if we go and click on here, as you guys can see, this is the artist that makes it. I think it's George King, just doesn't have the E in there. So basically if we take this little button here, you can see how it's all moving and stuff. I can click on there and it's gonna ask me, what would you like to do? Set video wallpaper. And that's pretty much all you gotta do. And then hit set wallpaper again. You can either choose the home screen or the lock screen. I usually do both. And this is how I just, switch up the wallpapers every now and again. So it'll say, hey, it's all set up or whatnot. Once again, Zedge is asking for money, so we're just gonna skip that for right now. I might get an ad or something, but yeah, that's pretty much it. And then if we go to the home screen, you can see I got the wallpaper on there. If I tap the background, it starts to move around, and that is how that looks. And I'll let that run throughout the day. Does it really kill my battery that much? I really don't notice. I honestly think the screen brightness and the resolution kill the battery more. But this is how it's going to look in the background. So I actually got a couple of YouTube videos I got to catch up on, and those are my reminders, but that's what I'm running off of. Also, I use T-Mobile, so I get that whole, 5G UC thing or whatever. First, I kind of turned it off, but after a while, I turned it back on just to see how well this battery is going to last throughout the rest of the day. We are down to 97%, but we were at 100 at like 7:45, but I've been doing some stuff, so we'll see how long this lasts. And guess what? My thing is with phones is I'm not trying to make this last the entire day, because if I was, I would adjust some settings to it to kind of make it last a little bit longer. But pretty much all I got to do is just plug this in for about 20 or 30 minutes and I'm good to go. I could let it charge all the way up. It takes about like an hour and 15 minutes for it to fully charge if you're using like the 45 watt fast charging and all that stuff. But otherwise, I really don't worry about it too much. I either carry a charger on me or I'll just plug this up in my car. But as far as the battery life, I really don't worry about it too much. All right. So this is something else that I do sometimes, and I guess this falls into the day in the life of, stuff that Trent does with his phone. Now, one of my friends here, Lover Tech, aka Ben, I'm watching this video, and actually let me turn this down a little bit, that way we can hit play on here. And Ben is gonna hit this pose, right? He's gonna hit this hilarious slow motion pose, and whenever it comes up, see, there it goes. That pose, I'm gonna make a GIF out of that, and I'm gonna post it on Twitter. So pretty much all I all I got to do with that is just come down, swipe down, keep going, and we are going to go to screen record. And for now, I'm just gonna do no sound, and let's do start recording. So it's gonna go ahead and do its little countdown. So let's go ahead and take this back just a little bit. Now, when I hit play, this background is going to disappear. So, all right. Okay, there we go. All right, there we go. He's doing a thing. He's doing a thing. So, all right, so we're going to stop. And I'm just going to take the phone. And I use Giphy. That's what I use. So where's Giphy at on here? We're going to go here. Ben's still playing. So we're just going to put him down there for a second. And we're going to go to create. And it's looking at me. So let's go here. And let's go here. So open with what? Just do this one. There we go. Was I too late? Okay, maybe I was too late. There we go. Now we got Ben, slow motion Ben. Look at that. All right, so let's trim that down to about there. A little more. Okay. All right, so about there. Oh, a little more. There we go. All right, so now that we got that, we're gonna go ahead and Giphy's gonna process this. So I'm gonna go to save GIF, save, and it's telling me it's saved. So let's go have some fun on Twitter. And go to tweet and see it's already right there. So we're gonna go. What should we put in there? What should we put in there? Let's see. Let's go with Ben. Where's the apostrophe? Ben's new. Let's go with Ben's New Groove. If y'all remember the Emperor's New Groove, we got Ben's New Groove. And I always forget where the @ symbol is. There it is. And let's go All right, there we go. So this is the trolling that I do to my friends. This is the trolling that I do. So yep, look at that. That's perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and tweet that out. So yeah. So that's just one of the other things I do on Twitter. It's just a fun thing. Like I said, nothing exciting, no super sweeping B-roll or anything crazy, but it's just something else that I do that I get a kick out of. And I know when Ben sees this video, he's going to die laughing. All right, y'all. I kind of skipped the rest of the day because I had a lot of stuff to do at work. But essentially, I use my phone throughout the day. And I have airplane mode turned on right now because I'm getting a bunch of notifications. But I'm at 46%. I'm at 46%. It's 7:47. Like I said, all the settings are turned on, except for airplane mode being on right now. But I use my phone throughout the day, and it still has power. So unless you are sitting on your phone playing games all day, every day, and pushing your phone to the absolute max, you should be able to make it through a whole day with this phone and be perfectly fine. Now, I haven't charged this up at all. It's just been, off off the charger at like, what, 7:45 this morning. That's the last time it was at 100. And sometimes what I'll do is I'll just come out here into the backyard and just, either watch my kid play on a swing set, might record some videos, might even record that annoying ass bird right now, but just regular life. Like I said, nothing fancy, nothing crazy. So if you guys are looking for a phone, and let's say you were wondering about the S22 Ultra, oh my God, can it last all day? What can it do? It can do plenty of stuff. You can record videos with it. You can do Samsung DeX. I still need to do a video on Samsung DeX because that deserves a whole video by itself. But I can pretty much get throughout the day, get through all my social media, get through Instagram, all that wonderful stuff. Once again, take pictures, record video, all that, be perfectly fine. The only other thing that I did that it didn't take its toll on the battery, but it did lower the battery down some, was I use this application called Clubhouse. And basically it's kind of like a online chat room except with voices, and sometimes that will drain on your battery a little bit, but otherwise pretty good phone. Day's almost over. I'm gonna continue using the phone for the rest of the night, but honestly, like I said, the fact that I can wake up, go to work with this, get out the car, go into work, it's at 100%, take it throughout the day, use navigation, use all these other wonderful things about the phone. Get home, 7:49, still at 46%. Nothing wrong with that. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Just wanted to keep the video kind of simple today, and I'll catch you guys later. All right, y'all, take it easy. Peace.